Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. So here comes the part 4 of our video series in which we are learning about the national symbols of South Korea. In the first part, I introduced you all to the different national symbols of the South Korean country. Then in the second part, we learned in detail about the Korean national flag. Then in the third part of the series, we learned about the national flower of South Korea. Now in this fourth part, we are going to talk about the national animal of South Korea. So without wasting any time, let's start. The first question that comes in our mind is, what is the name of the Korean national animal? So let's see. So the national animal of South Korea is the Siberian tiger. Okay, and the Korean name of the Siberian tiger is horangi. Horangi. And you can also see that sometimes it is also called the Korean tiger. Okay, so the national animal of South Korea is horangi, which is the Siberian tiger. Okay, South Korea is also called the land of tigers. Why is that? Let's see. So South Korea has been historically referred to as the land of tigers due to its dense forest and the presence of tigers in the Korean peninsula. So there was once a time when tigers used to live in the Korean country. Now they have become extremely endangered. But because of their presence in the ancient times, the Korean peninsula is called the land of tigers. And also tigers are deeply ingrained in Korean mythology and have been revered as the guardian spirits. Okay, so they are very respected creatures in the Korean mythology, in the Korean culture. Okay, so now as we talked about the culture, the next question is, what is the historical and cultural significance of horangi, which is the national animal of South Korea? So let's see. Now, tigers, they have been an integral part of Korean history and culture for centuries. Okay, and they have appeared in various forms of traditional Korean art, literature and folklore, often depicted as noble creatures with mystical powers. So as I mentioned, tigers hold a very important place in the Korean history and culture, and they are depicted as the noble creatures. So in ancient times, tiger imagery was used to ward off evil spirits and bring good fortune. Okay, the Korean people, they used to hang the images of tigers in front of their house to get rid of evil spirits and to have good fortune. Okay, now the cultural importance is also seen when the Siberian tiger served as the official mascot for the 1988 Summer Olympics, which were held in Seoul in South Korea. And at that time, the mascot was named as Hodori, which represented the friendly and hospitable spirit of the Korean people as well as the nation's determination to succeed. So with this, we can easily understand the importance of the national animal of South Korea. Okay, now as I mentioned earlier, the Siberian tiger, it has become extremely endangered. So let's talk about the conservation efforts to save the Siberian tiger. Now, despite their cultural significance, Siberian tigers, they are critically endangered with only a small population remaining in the wild. So, South Korea, along with other countries, has implemented various conservation efforts to protect these majestic animals and their habitats. तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि केवल साउथ कोरिया में ही साइबेरियन टाइगर्स रहते थे. The neighboring countries also had these tigers and now they have become extremely endangered. So some of the countries where they used to reside have taken various conservation efforts to protect these animals. These efforts include wildlife reserves, anti-poaching measures, and public awareness campaigns, and many things have been done to protect them. So, tigers hold a significant place in the Korean culture and folklore, often symbolizing courage, strength, and protection. With this, let's end our video over here. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.